There's a whole excavator here. Oh my, oh my. What? There we go. Oh my gosh. Whole excavator. So for context, there's a lot of mud over there, and that excavator is gonna dig up all the mud, so that we can have a safe travel. Because it is hard to travel in the mud. Oh, look at that work! Oh my! Look at that work! Oh my, oh my. Dog, this excavator is bigger than me. Can't believe that I met an excavator in person. If anyone hasn't seen an excavator, you're missing out, man. This is actually huge up close. Oh my god. Let's take a closer look. I may be inhaling dangerous fumes, but it's worth it. Check out this. Check this out. This is so cool. Wow. Bye bye, excavator. Damn. What's that? Oh, this rock is unstable. I shouldn't be standing on that. Why? What's wrong? Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. The excavator left. Anyways, I'll make another video if the excavator comes back.